Polkasanayon. This dance comes from the province of Batangas. The ballroom polka was famous during the Spanish period. In the old days, it was very popular and was usually danced at all the big social affairs and at the town fiestas. Basic dance steps in polkasanayon. Plain polka step pattern. Heel and toe polka step pattern. Change step pattern. Introduction. Partners join hands, inside hands facing audience. Tap right foot in front in every measures 12 times. Partners hold in close ballroom position. Figure 1. Boy start in left foot, girl in right foot. Take 4 plain polka step around clockwise 4 measures. Point right or left foot sideward count 1 and point right left foot close to right left count 2 and. Take 1 polka step sideward. Repeat all 3 times more 24 measures. Figure 2. Starting with outside foot, take heel and toe polka step forward 4 measures. Starting with outside foot, take 2 polka steps, 2 turn around outward in place 2 measures. Repeat all starting with inside foot 8 measures. Repeat all 16 measures. Figure 3. Starting with right or left foot, take 4 polka steps clockwise 4 measures. Starting with right or left foot, take 3 gallop steps sideward toward front, count 1 and 2 and pose 2 measures. Starting with right or left foot, take 4 polka steps clockwise 4 measures. Repeat all 3 times more 24 measures. Figure 4. Starting with right foot, take 2 polka steps sideward, right and left 2 measures. Point right foot in front, count 1 and raise same foot across left foot, count 2 and. Repeat all starting with left foot 4 measures, starting with right foot, take 8 polka steps counterclockwise 8 measures. Repeat. Saludo. Take 4 polka steps forward 4 measures. Girl whirls counterclockwise under arc of arms as many times as possible. Boy stands in place 3 measures. Bow to each other or audience.